Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem that 4 power x minus 0.25 whole square is equals to 1. What is x? So we have to find the value of this x. So first of all, here we write 4 power x minus 0.25 whole square is equals to 1. So now we know that any number power 0 is equals to 1. So we write 4 power 0 is equals to 1. So we write this here. So we write 4 power x minus 0.25 whole square is equals to 4 power 0. So now when bases are same, we just write powers. So we write x minus 0.25 whole square is equals to 0. So now we take square root both side, square root this side and square root this side. So now square and square root is cancelled. X minus 0.25 is equals to 0. So now we write x minus 0.25. We write plus 0.25 this side, and we also write 0 plus 0.25. So now minus 0.25 and plus 0.25 is cancelled. So x is equals to 0.25. So the value of x is 0.25. This is our answer.